Hey guys, and welcome to our mentor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can create a YouTube video in less than 5 minutes. It may be any YouTube video. So it will start with generating video topic ideas and creating a script and to editing the video. So everything will be done by these two AI tools. So let's get started. The first AI tool will be ChatGPT for generating the video topic idea and also the content. So let's find the video topic idea. So let me give a prompt saying suggest me 30 best YouTube video topics related to space. So I have a channel called as Factor One. So for that I'm researching the content. So let me see which is the good one to make a video on. So it's suggesting, let me see, journey to Mars. Okay, let me see. I think this is a bit good topic to make a video on. So I just copy this and tell it to write the content on that. So write me a very informative, sorry, write a very informative content on this topic, and I'll just paste this. So let's wait for some time until it writes the whole script for me. Okay, it's writing the script, and let's wait for some time. Okay, the script is done. So once you read the script, and after that just copy this thing, and next step is go to this platform called as InVideo AI. So I'll give the link in the description. Just visit this website, and let's start the next process. So this is the free version. In this free version you will get, let me show you. In this free version you get 10 minutes per week of AI generation. You will not get the iStock license. 10 GB storage you'll get, and minimum of 4 export you will be getting. So it will be good, like 4, at least we can make 2 to 3 videos per week with this AI tool, that too with a free plan. So next step is go and to YouTube explainer, then just paste the script here. You can also select the time you want the video, the time duration you want the video to be. So I will not select anything, let the AI do its work. So next I will select the gender as male, and voice I will select as clear American voice. So the watermark, so we can also keep the watermark as our channel name itself. So I'll just change it to Factor One. That's my channel name. So in next step it will ask you how many iStock media you want to use. So I will prefer don't use iStock media because I don't want more watermark in my videos of iStock. So I just will select don't use iStock images. Then just click on continue. So you can see that it has, like, the word limit has exceeded of the content, but no problem, it has come till the conclusion, so no need to worry. So I'll just click on generate the video. So let's wait for some time till it analyzes your content, and then it will plan the title for the content, and also it will plan how the video should be and what all the clips it want to add. So let us give some time for it to think. Okay, it has planned what the video should be. Now let's select which audience you want to target this. So I will select the space enthusiast only. The look and feel should be bit professional. I want it to be bit professional, and platform it's YouTube. So let's click on continue. Okay, let's wait for some time. The whole video will be generated in some time, so let's wait for that. Okay, and it has generated our video. So let's click on export video. So here I will, the video resolution will be 180p, and if you don't want the stock watermark, then you need to upgrade to the plan, but it's okay, I will work on the free plan itself. So I will select on, I can use the watermark, and also the AI branding I want it to be normal. So let's click on continue. Okay, the video is getting rendered here. Let's wait for some time, and the video will be completely done, and it will get downloaded. and the video has been generated and it's fully rendered. So let me show you how the video actually looks like.
Imagine a future where the precious resources we're exhausting on Earth are readily available in the vastness of space. Could the answer to our resource scarcity problem lie in the asteroid belt, a vast ring of rock and metal orbiting between Mars and Jupiter? Asteroids, those rocky, airless remnants left over from the early formation of our solar system.
Okay, so the video has been done and it's been downloaded. So by using this method you can create your video very quickly. So thank you for watching this video. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.